gonna be honest with you guys. I was gonna make a video on a stock WRX versus a stage 2 WRX because Porsche Spokane happened to get a WRX in, which, what do you do with that? Of course you make more Subaru videos because that's what everybody wants to watch. Well, one thing has happened. This car is not stock. It has a downpipe and like a full exhaust and an intake. So I don't know like how stock it is. Like it might be on the stock tune. There's no access port in it. So it's not gonna be fair to call this car stock. But Elliot and I want to drive his car and then drive this one because I think it's on the stock tune, which, I don't know, that's probably not good. It's not my car, so I guess I can't. I'm not telling you how to live your life, but I would not run a stock tune on a car, on a Subaru with a downpipe and a full exhaust. But anyway, we're going to take these two out for a drive in a second here and kind of just compare them and see like what, if there's any differences really in between. This one's a 15 limited and his is a 16 sorry Elliot, premium. And sorry I'm sick if I sound a little weird. But anyway, my name's Tyler. This is my channel. Hello, if you're new. Let's do this. Give it a quick rev. Oh, dang, man. Now rev yours really quick.
Dude, this might be a little...
This sounds pretty good.
Because he's catless.
Yeah. So catless downpipe. This downpipe has a cat in it, or J-pipe. Okay, that's way louder. This one sounds cleaner. All right.
Yeah, it's definitely catless.
Now we're off to drive these things. As an STI owner driving a WRX, it's so comfortable, man. It's ridiculously comfortable. Like, I'm impressed. I do really like the blue too. It's nice to actually drive a car that's a color because white just does not photograph well. And it's interesting too because this is a limited, so the seats have they don't have the colors in them, which is new to me. I never noticed that.
There's no way this is the stock. What? I don't remember it being this.
And this is cool too because Elliot doesn't have that. He's thinking about pulling those off. But yeah, so it's basically the same seats as the STI, just without the color in them. The shifter's garbage. If you own a WRX, your shifter's garbage, dude. Like it,
I don't miss this at all.
Yeah. What else? Well, it's catless, so it smells like a lot. I'm not a catless fan. And it's hitting, focus, 23 freaking pounds of boost peak. Jeez. Everything else? Oh, you're pressing that? I was like, oh crap.
Oh, yeah.
Everything else is the same as my car. I mean, or you have this too, right?
What?
Like the mirror with like these. Yeah. Yeah, and the sunroof and whatnot. Yep. I mean, everything else though is pretty much the same, but
I feel like this feels like your clutch. This isn't feeling. I don't remember mine ever feeling this. I don't know.
that sucks, man. Let's see. All right.
Maybe I just gotta shoot this.
Oh shit. Dude, that shifter is bothering me.
It's weird.
That is a terrible shifter.
Man, yeah, I'm not used to this clutch.
I know, it grabs.
Yeah. This doesn't. Unless he has like a different clutch.
Perhaps.
I don't remember it feeling like this.
Because it probably never did.
Yeah, that's what I'm
That
saying.
2015 clutch though.
I know, this feels a lot more like her. Yeah, it definitely kicks in a lot of, yeah.
At the top end.
I know what you're
But then it
saying.
like flattens out. You
Yeah.
think there's gonna be more.
It's weird.
There's like turbo lag, and then it just flattens out.
I feel like it's just not.
We gotta roll these up a little bit. There's probably so much wind noise. Yeah, it's peaking. I'm sorry, people. Yeah. It sounds like it's like everything. It's giving it everything.
I feel like it's got more, like it should be more.
So far, oh, it's hot as freaking balls in here. It stinks. I like the interior though. It's nice, but the boost comes on and then it just like flattens out. It's so weird. Ugh. But we'll be able to get a pull in like a couple more gears here when he pulls out on this here street.
Yeah, I want to try to get a third gear. It's sticky.
Dude, it smells. I don't know why people go catless. Catless smells so bad. Like, it's not good. I don't know what the benefit. Or you seriously like can't get over that, can you?
No, it's weird.
Rip throwout bearing because Elliot's pushing it in and out a million times. But the stink is just unbearable. Like, it's so bad. It's not worth it. No. People are. It's mostly just because people are cheap, I think. But
yeah, it is a lot cheaper.
Yeah, this is. Could you imagine like girls probably hate this? Oh yeah, that's true. Then you like breathe in your own like fart air all the time, though.
Yeah.
Oh. Bro, have you ever driven manual before?
No, I'm a newbie.
Top end, not there. For all you 15, and that's it, 15 owners, if you've ever seen this head unit, or if you haven't seen this head unit, you're not a 15 owner. This is the crap we have to deal with. It just looks aftermarket, like it's not pretty looking. Yeah, that would have been the road, but let's not turn there because we got train wrecked.
Oh.
Yeah, wrecked by a train. Oh, that's it? What? That's the shortest train I've ever seen in my life. Anyway, this head unit's pretty garbage. Like, it sounds fine, but it's so unattractive. The different menus and stuff just like aren't pretty, and it's like, every function is pretty hard. Yeah, I mean, it's like easy to use, I guess, but it just doesn't look pretty with, you have like that pretty screen up there and then this crap. It's just not pretty. The 16 did it better. The 18 does it better. All right, round 2.
Oh my gosh. There's like a spring acting against my clutch.
Oh, man.
Oh gosh. Okay, I think my clutch is going out. This is bad. This is way harder. Holy shit.
I think that car drones more because it's got like mufflers making it deep.
Yeah, that's true. So I do have my.
Dude, the swaggy biker gang. So much less touchy, right?
Yeah.
I can just feel it from the passenger seat.
And my shifter feels way better.
Oh yeah, the shifter doesn't move like at all.
Yeah. My clutch, I think it is going out.
No.
Like, it doesn't slip though. My clutch doesn't slip.
I don't think it's going out. There's just something
Why is it
weird.
so hard?
I have no idea,
Shit,
man.
don't kill me.
Jeez.
It's like a spring. It's almost like something stuck. It's just like,
I've driven, like I said, I drove one that had that issue.
maybe it's in a 50, 16.
Yeah. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, yours has that little bit more up top.
Yeah, it just keeps going.
Consistently, it just keeps going. Yeah.
It doesn't kick as hard in the beginning like his. It's just.
It's like straight torque.
And then just.
Yeah. That's funny. That's so weird. Like, just a tune does that, or just not having a tune does that. If you're buying a used Subaru, I have some advice for you. Don't buy a used Subaru that has modifications on it that
Without an access port.
doesn't have an access port. Yeah, I'm just trying not to like. Yeah. That doesn't have an access port. Yeah, you should probably just flip around anyway. We've done it. We know what we know.
Yeah.
We felt the top end. The heck, do it best? What the heck is all over here, man?
I don't know. This is weird.
Yeah. It's weird. Just weird. You always like wonder what the stories behind these cars are. Like what did that car go through in its life to end up that way? Thanks guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.